In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover a deleted Instagram account. So if you have an account that you've accidentally deleted, or you have an old account that perhaps you've forgotten about, I'm going to show you how to go in, recover a deleted account. Now, first thing you need to do is close out of the Instagram app, and we're just going to be loading up an internet browser. Now click on the address bar and type in the following: help.instagram.com, and then go and press enter. Now once you're on this website, click on the navigation bar in the top right hand side, click on the drop down next to login, recovery and security, and click on account recovery and login. You can then scroll down to the very bottom of the page and you'll see was this helpful, press no. Now click on other and press select. Now you're going to see this feedback box here that says tell us more. So you need to use this to go and recover your old deleted Instagram account. So you need to type something along the lines of, "Hi, I deleted my Instagram account last year with the username of Reese." You can mention if you have access to any of the old email addresses or telephone numbers, and then just write something along the lines of, "Please could you help me recover this, my email address to contact me on," and then leave your current email address. Once you've filled out this form, go and press submit. Now this will typically take 24 to 48 hours in order for Instagram to respond to this request. Now as long as you can provide enough information, Instagram should be able to help you with recovering this deleted account.